Welcome to DyKnow Cloud. At the end of this training, you will know how to create and edit classes, create and edit users, access class analytics, and access student analytics. First, log in. You will be directed to the DyKnow dashboard. It is defaulted to your classes page. It is unlikely that as a tech coach you will have any classes. Don't worry, you can create them yourself. To create a class, click the gear icon. You will be defaulted to the Users tab. Click on the Classes tab. On the right corner of the screen, click the blue Create New Class button. Enter the fields on the class details page. The ability to create a class is great for creating demo classes to train other teachers and helping teachers create one-off classes that are not recorded in school information systems, such as study halls, after-school clubs, and in-school suspension classes. Be sure that the start and end dates match other DyKnow classes. Click Save to ensure that your changes are made. To edit a class, search for the name of the class you'd like to edit. Click on the pencil icon to the right. The modal will be the same as when you created a new class. You can add students manually, but teachers can do that on their own too. A best practice is for teachers to manage their manually created rosters on their own. Make sure you click Save to ensure your changes are saved. Now let's create a new user. Navigate back to the Users tab. On the right-hand corner, click the blue Create New User button. Enter the details on the page. The ability to create a new user is great for creating media specialists, librarians, and elementary specials teachers. Select the role that you intend for this user to have. Select the school in which the user should be assigned to. You will need to include a password when you create a new user. Click Save to ensure that your changes are saved. To edit a user, search for the person you'd like to edit. Click on the pencil icon on the right. The modal will be the same if you had created a new user. Make sure you click Save to ensure your changes are saved. Now I will show you how to access class analytics. Navigate back to the Classes tab. Enter the name of the class you'd like to view. Click on the purple pie chart icon on the right. It will auto-populate to the most recent class monitored. You can choose the date range from the Date drop-down. If you'd like to look at one individual student in a particular class, choose the student from the Student drop-down. Tech coaches can use class analytics when troubleshooting blocking plan questions and checking most frequent sites and applications used in class. Click the Student Analytics black tab. Enter the name of the student whose analytics you wish to view. Like class analytics, you can choose the date range from the Date drop-down. From this view, you can see all of Daphne Blake's analytics from this time range, or you can filter by a specific class. To do that, click on the Classes tab and click the class you'd like to view. Student analytics is great for tech coaches to assist teachers in finding patterns between different classes for one student. You can also print student analytics to show at a parent conference. To print, click the right-hand Print button. Thanks for joining us. Remember, you can always use the chat feature in the bottom right corner anytime. We almost always respond within the same day. Thanks for using DyKnow Cloud.